Are you thinking about buying a used or refurbished Samsung phone? Stop right there. Before you spend a single dollar, you need to watch this. In this video, I'm going to reveal the secret diagnostic codes and essential hardware tests that most sellers hope you do and know about. If you skip these checks, you could be throwing your hard-earned money away on a phone that's secretly broken. Trust me, you don't want that kind of buyer's remorse. Let's dive right into the most important secret of them all. Grab the phone, open the dial pad, and type in this code, *#0#. As soon as you hit that last hash, you'll be transported into the hidden Samsung diagnostic menu. This is your personal toolbox for inspecting every part of the phone. First, let's check the screen. You'll see buttons for red, green, and blue. Tap each one. This will fill the entire screen with that color. Look very closely for any tiny black dots or pixels that aren't lighting up. Those are dead pixels, a clear sign of a faulty display. Next up, tap the vibration button. The phone should give a strong, solid buzz. If it feels weak, rattly, or doesn't vibrate at all, the motor is on its way out. This is a bigger deal than you think, as you'll miss calls and notifications. Now for the most crucial test, touch. You'll see a grid of empty boxes. Your job is to trace your finger across the entire screen, filling in every single box with green. Make sure to test the edges and corners, as that's where touch sensitivity often fails first. If you can't fill in every box, it means the touch sensor is defective. Walk away immediately. Do not buy that phone, no matter how good the deal seems. A phone can look perfect on the outside, but its internal health tells the real story. This is where the Samsung Members app comes in. It's a free app from Samsung, and if it's not on the phone, you can quickly download it. Open it up, go to the support section, and then tap on Phone Diagnostics. Here, you can run a full checkup on the device. The most important one is the battery status. It will tell you if the battery life is good, normal, or weak. If it says weak, you'll need to factor in the cost of a battery replacement, which isn't cheap. This tool also lets you check other components like the processor, sensors, and charging port, giving you a complete official report on the phone's health. Don't just take the seller's word for it. Get the facts directly from Samsung's own software. Okay, let's talk about the green line nightmare. You've probably seen horror stories online about a mysterious green line suddenly appearing on Samsung screens. It's a known hardware fault, and it can happen out of nowhere, turning a perfectly good phone into a paperweight. I'm going to show you a simple stress test to see if the display is on the verge of failing. Go back to that secret diagnostic menu. Tap on the red, green, and blue screens again. This time, while the screen is lit up, gently but firmly apply a little bit of pressure and flex to the phone's frame. Don't try to bend it in half, but give it a slight twist, like you're wringing out a cloth. Watch the screen like a hawk. If you see any flickering, color distortion, or even a faint line appearing, that screen is a ticking time bomb. The connection is failing. This tip alone can save you hundreds of dollars and a massive headache down the road. So there you have it. The secret codes, the internal health check, and the stress test to avoid the dreaded green line. Never again should you buy a used phone blindly. Go into that negotiation armed with knowledge and confidence. A few minutes of testing can be the difference between getting a fantastic deal and getting scammed. If this guide helped you out or saved you some money, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. And for more hidden tech tricks and buyer's guides, make sure to subscribe to iTech Secrets so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.